Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I created this super cute, super easy, super glowy, natural look. Ooh. And so if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to start off by filling in my brows with my e.l.f. Cosmetics Lock-On Liner in the shade Expresso. Then I'm going to clean up my brows with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Dark 48. I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. I'm using my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm taking the shade Rich, and I'm going to apply that in my crease. For my transition, I'm going to use the shade Flux from the same palette. For my brow bone, I'm going to use the shade Tan from the same palette. It's on the first row, actually, not the second row. Sorry for that. I'm going to apply my Sigma eyeshadow base primer in the shade Bubbly all over my lid, and I'm going to smudge it out a little. Don't forget you can use my code JaiDoesIt at checkout to save some money. I'm going to be going in with the shade Tan, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. Then I'm going to go back in with that shade Rich, and I'm going to diffuse the edges from the tan shade. I'm going to be using Wet n Wild Crown of my Canopy and Sigma Chroma Glow shade Ambrosia for my tear duct. I'm going to be using the same Wet n Wild highlighter for my brow bone as well. I'm going to line my eyes with my Essence Super Precise eyeliner. Thank you so much to Chic Cosmetics for sending me your gorgeous lashes and lippies. I have the lashes in the style Queen, Love, and Dreamer. The style I'm going to be using today is in the style Chloe, and she is such a gorgeous lash. If you're interested in these lashes, I'll be sure to leave the link down below for you all, and I also have a discount code you guys can use, which is JaiDoesIt. So I'm going to clean up my liner with a little bit of concealer that I use to clean up my brows. So I'm going to be using my Essence Mattifying and Pore Minimizing Primer and my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Primer. My foundation, I'm going to be using my Ruby Kisses Drop Foundation, and this is in the shade Ebony. I got this at my local beauty supply store. Here I'm just going over my brows with that same foundation to try to hide the halo brow effect, you know. I'm going to highlight my face with my ColourPop concealer. And then I'm going to blend that out with my Sigma Beauty 3D HD Beauty Blender. I love this beauty blender so much because it gets all in the tiny small crevices of your face. Don't forget I have a discount code with them as well that you could use, which is JaiDoesIt. So I'm going to go over that again with my Ruby Kisses HD Concealer in the shade Toffee. I'm just going to apply a little bit under my eye to brighten that area a little more. I'm going to set my concealer with the Crayon Case Contourization Notebook with the shade Ross, and I'm only going to use that on the areas that I highlighted. To contour, I'm going to be using my Black Radiance foundation stick, and this is in the shade Chocolate Dipped, and I'm going to blend that out with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. So I'm going to set all of that with my Color Du Jour No More Shine Setting Powder. It's my LA Girl Glide On eyeliner in the shade Very Black. I'll be reapplying some more of that shade Ambrosia in my tear ducts to make it pop a little more. To set the rest of my face, I'm taking my Black Radiance Pressed Powder, and this is in the shade Ebony. I'm going to use that all over. To get rid of that dusty look, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray, and I'm going to use that all over. I'm going to be using the same highlighter I used for my brow bone for my cheeks and the high points of my face. So they sent me these gorgeous lip glosses as well. I'll be sure to link them down below. They sent me the shades Posh, Chocolate, and Brick. They are so beautiful. So to line my lips, I'm going to be using my Ruby Kisses Color Design lipstick in the shade Ebony. I really love the applicator on this brush. It means you don't have to go in the lip gloss and keep dipping it. I'm using the lip gloss in the shade Chocolate. Hair Store lip gloss. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and comment, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can be a part of the jewels.